It's dark. Oh, I'm watching YouTube, okay? Sorry for there not being a proper intro to this video, but I just want to give a little context. Don't look at the bed, it's not made. Anyways, so pretty much this video is just of me picking up another hobby. Growing up, I did grow up around instruments. My brother and my dad were in a band. They always had practice at the house. And yay! And they would leave the instruments there, you know, because they would always, like, our place was constantly the place that you go and practice at. So, oh my god, what the fuck is going on? So I was always very intrigued. I was always around music. So that's kind of where it happened. I was learning how to play the drums. I didn't get too far because, again, I was a fucking kid too. I was like 7. So I would get distracted, like trying to play outside with my friends, you know? Be a changa, you know? Be climbing trees and shit. That was me. That was me, baby. That was me. So yeah, I just decided, like, I've been thinking about it for a while, and then this year I decided that, you know what, I'm gonna fully commit. And I mean, it's been kind of like 50 commit, but I've gone a long way. So I got all these things in the beginning of January, and I got it for myself for my birthday. Shout out me for buying myself something, you know? Pretty much this video is just gonna be of me and my brother assembling it, and then me going through trial and error or something to tune it, because I have no idea what I'm doing. You can watch videos, but it's different. It'd be better if it was like, you know, someone here watching it. I don't know what I'm saying. Gotta go, bye. Enjoy! Oh, here's the throne.
The what?
Throne. Well, that's what they call it.
Oh, I'm like,
Woo! Oh, you can't even see it. Kind of.
what's this snare?
You know, like, Eminem. Where's my snare? I have no snare in my headphones. Oh, this is nice. It's glittery. It's just this that comes off.
No matter what you're assembling, no matter what brand or
That's cool.
or series of kit, all the components are relatively the same. You're gonna have hoops, you're gonna have heads, you're gonna have teeth.
Hey, must be the money.
Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Yeah. There we go. All right. So we got our 2 tension rods. Now hold on to these. Put it in the cases or something like that. You're going places. You can loosen this bottom one up.
And then the height is the same.
Pull it up a little bit.
You're gonna have to play with it to see.
And then tighten it wherever you want.
Okay.
Okay.
Solid.
I'm gonna have to move that stuff.
Have it? Loosen.
I don't know how far down it has to be. Did it say?
No, I don't know because it turned off.
Hi-hat stand.
No.
Go ahead and set that bad boy right about there. Again, you can
Oh,
make
just
all your
a little bit
adjustments.
for
Just get it
yours.
kind of set up.
Yeah.
Hold on. Let's pull it.
It just sticks.
Okay. Jeez.
Well, actually, it does look pretty good.
No, it's not bad.
Profesh?
Getting there.
One day, maybe.
Getting
We still gotta tune everything.
there. Oh yeah. And make sure everything is tightened down because it's just finger tight.
Yeah, or else it's gonna fall apart.
Well, yeah, first figure out what height you want stuff and then really tighten it so it doesn't move. Because it wouldn't. I mean, it's tight, so.
Hello, guys. As you can see, I'm in my little setup right now. I am gonna start tuning the drums with the drum key. Because when me and my brother did this, we only like hand tighten it hand tighten. We only tighten it up with our hands, like not using no tools at all. So I felt like obviously I need to tighten everything, you know, make it better and fix everything up so I can, I'm not gonna be able to start playing yet, simply because I haven't treated the room yet for sounds, because there's a lot of echo still since there's not a lot of stuff in here, as you can hear by my voice. Like, drums are loud, you know. You can hear how hollow and like blah it sounded. I need to adjust that, and I need to adjust the cymbal, the hi-hat, all that stuff. And since I'm a short person, I didn't want to have everything like this. Kind of what is giving. I need to watch some videos on how they were tuning things around, so that's what I'm about to do on my phone. I need to get a little area over here, either this side or this side. I'm not sure. Now I think this side is gonna be more for like, I'm putting a shelf right here with a lot of stuff that like represent me, what I like anime and all that stuff. And on this side, I'm gonna do the like a laptop system and stuff, and I have like microphones for my drums and all that stuff, you know what I'm saying? So me and my brother followed somebody on the instructions on YouTube. Let me see what was it that I wrote? It was on the Pacific Drums website. Let me try to find it.
I'm gonna show you a couple little tips, and I'm also gonna try to show you how you can experiment, right? Because it's impossible for me to show you. Tune one of those heads high enough, it'll rotate, it'll fast. And if it's so
Okay, right now I'm tuning the bass drum. Because it sounds like shit right now. Like, it sounds very ugly. I don't like how it sounds. It sounds very like echoey, empty. I don't know. Let's see how it sounds. Okay, see, that sounds better, but I think it's also these that are kind of loose. Maybe that's why it's making that noise. But earlier that sounded terrible, so I need to keep playing with it. That's what it was saying, that I need to keep adjusting it to my liking and keep playing. I don't know.
But yeah, again, finger tight here, and all I'm gonna do is get it like staying even again, like a do. Like this, I really know how what you do affects the sound, right? So if I crank the bottom of this drum, those heads interact to a certain way, right? So if you turn it higher than the bottom one, you get this pitch bend kind of like kind of thing.
It's too echoey in
You can
here.
have really
So pretty much I need to put things in here, stuff, so it's not so echoey, because it's very empty in here. And I know that's a big problem. Because too loud. It's too loud for no reason. You know what I'm saying? I gotta go on Amazon now. Okay, so I brought my drum set to the living room. It was too cold in the garage to be trying to tune it and all that stuff. I tuned the snare pretty good already. Now I'm doing the bass drum. If y'all can see right there. I'm watching videos on YouTube on how to tune it. And I don't know why I didn't think about this, but I had to disassemble the top part and add a pillow inside, because I was noticing that inside it was too it sounded too hollow, and yeah, I just needed something inside also to damper the noise, make it sound more better. I don't know if it's gonna work. I'm putting these back on, the tension rods and stuff like that. So yeah, I just figured I was gonna be recording this because I still don't know what I'm doing, you know? And first I have to finger tighten all of them before I can go in with the drum key. So I'm doing that right now. Sounds the same all around. Now let's flip it over. See, I wasn't lying. There's a pillow in there. Probably can't see it. I don't know if you can. But it's in there. Ugh. Time to tune this one too. Okay, so I already tuned the bass, the snare. We got to this one. I'll double check for this one again just to make sure. I know I have to do both bottom and top, so. I wish I had friends that play the drums so that I can have somebody come help me. Otherwise, I don't know what I'm doing. This is all like a learning experience for myself, really. And I don't know when I'm gonna put down my Christmas tree, so don't ask. I think so. Now I gotta do the other one. This is a 12-inch one, I believe. I thought I did. Oh no, I still see some wrinkles. And it sounds kind of hollow. I don't know if y'all can hear that. So I just gotta tap it around. Y'all can hear that. I'm over here talking like I know what I'm doing. Gotta fix all these things. Make sure everything's aligned.
As well as a video description. It's going to have all of the song references. Alright, so let's dive into this first one. Drum, it's going to be 1 and the and of 3. So when in doubt, clap it out, okay? Put your sticks down and we're going to go 1 and 2. And then we're going to put all of that together very, very slowly. 1 and 2. 1 and 3.
I did it, guys! Kind of, sort of.